Miguel County in northeastern New Mexico, northeastern Guadalupe County and east central New Mexico until 5:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 4:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles north of Veradero, or 31 miles southwest of Mosquero, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Conchas Dam, Conchas, Veradero, Conchas Lake State Park, and Tramontina. This includes State Road 1 Ohio 4 between mile markers 43 and 86. To report severe weather, contact the National Weather Service Office in Albuquerque at 1-888-386-7637. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued up to 5:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in New Mexico, Guadalupe, and San Miguel. Significant weather advisory. Albuquerque has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern in northeastern New Mexico, northwestern Guadalupe County and east central New Mexico, northeastern Torrance County and central New Mexico until 5:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 4:32 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Etoll and Chico to 21 miles north of Vaughn to 6 miles north of Encino, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Encino, Villanueva State Park, and Chico, Junel, Los Montoyas, Tecolontito, and Milagro. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 228 and 249. Interstate 25 between mile markers 329 and 332. Highway 285 between mile markers 223 and 241. Highway 60 between mile markers 246 and 253. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in New Mexico, Guadalupe, San Miguel, and Torrance. The National Weather Service in Albuquerque has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central San Miguel County in northeastern New Mexico, northwestern Guadalupe County and east central New Mexico until 5:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 5:07 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Etoll and Chico to 15 miles north of Colonias, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Delia, Anton Chico, Colonias, and Tecolontito. This includes State Road 1 Ohio 4 between mile markers 38 and 41. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging winds, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lighting is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in New Mexico, Guadalupe, and San Miguel. For weather from the National Weather Service. Miguel County in northeastern New Mexico, west central Quay County in east central New Mexico, northeastern Guadalupe County in east central New Mexico, until 6 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 5:16 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Curvo to 7 miles east of Santa Rosa, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted: Santa Rosa, Puerto de Luna, Newkirk, Montoya, and Curvo. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 276 and 319. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in New Mexico, Guadalupe, and San Miguel. Significant weather advisory. Albuquerque has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Vaca County in east central New Mexico, northeastern Guadalupe County in east central New Mexico, until 7 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. 58 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northeast of Puerto de Luna, or 10 miles east of Santa Rosa, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour with gusts and half-dollar-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Santa Rosa and Puerto de Luna. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 276 and 290. On the lowest floor of a building. Blowing dust associated with strong thunderstorm winds can reduce visibilities below 1/4 mile at times. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in New Mexico, New Baca, and Guadalupe. You're listening to Station